Oh my gosh, you're here. Can't believe you're here. I've been waiting for you. You know, if you are a baby boomer or a Gen Xer who is looking to become a YouTube content creator and you've been looking for me, well, I've been waiting for you. I've been spending my time building a free YouTube training library for you if you want to learn how to do it. And I'm also building a TubeBuddy training library for those of you who want to learn my absolute favorite tool on how I make my video content creating streamlined and systematized and automated. I'm Fran Asaro, and I'm the founder of the Senior Tuber. And we're here to spoil you rotten so that you can become the best content creator you know how to be. Whether you're brand new, no channel, or if you have a channel you just want to rock with, then this is the place. We have everything from the free training to private training and everything in between. So take a look in the description to find out all about us. But in the meantime, subscribe so you get everything that we're putting up there as soon as we do. Hit the bell and you'll get notified. All right? I am so happy you're here. And please do me a favor and introduce yourself in the comments section so I can welcome you. Again, have a great day. I'll see you soon.